Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to show you a plant that we use frequently if somebody is looking for more of a tropical look. This is called a Canna Lily, and you can get these in all kinds of different colors, and you can also, even in this, you can see there, it's got some different colored foliage. It's got a little bit of a kind of variegated purple color, and then out here on the edge, this one has more of a green color. But the real beauty, of course, are the blooms, and they'll come in yellows and reds and oranges. It's just a very bright, vibrant color. One of the downsides is you will frequently get some leaf cutters that will get to the leaves and make them look a little bit ugly. That's pretty common. There's not a lot that you can do about that. These are also, these are going to go dormant in the winter time. It's a perennial, so you're going to cut these back to the ground and then they'll come back. They do tend to spread a little bit. You can contain them, but you have to be aware that they are going to spread. This is more the dwarf variety. There are others that I've seen, these blooms actually get taller than an 8-foot fence, or at least right at that height. So make sure you get the height that you want, but these are a gorgeous addition to any landscape, particularly around a swimming pool where you want that tropical look. Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also subscribe to our quick tip emails. Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.